Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, bringing you the news that matters. And today, yes, this news, it matters. All right, you all, we got some important news about Samsung and the products that's supposedly going to show up at the Samsung event on August 9th in New York. Make sure you save the date, because it seems as though it's going to be a huge event, and it seems as though the Galaxy Note 9 isn't going to be the only product that we should be looking forward to seeing when this event takes place. Now, we are looking forward to seeing, the info and features on the Galaxy Note 9, especially the S Pen's functionality, right? But also what supposedly is supposed to show up is the Bixby smart speaker, which is probably going to cost you anywhere between $300 to $349. I don't know what it entails so far as the features and functions are concerned just yet. Speculations are still out there, right? But it is supposed to show up. I'm already locked into the Google Assistant and Alexa in my home, but we are looking forward to seeing what this Bixby smart speaker is going to bring to the table. Now, also, you already know that Galaxy Watch will show up at this event, right? And it is going to run Tizen. Yes, thank you. Tizen OS should be on this smartwatch as well. And I'm looking forward to seeing the features and functions, but more so the design. We don't really have no real images of how the smartwatch is going to look, but listen, show up at the event, whether you watch it on your computer, whether you watch it on TV. Listen, do not miss the event. Now, also, the biggest news of the day is going to be about this wireless charging that Samsung is bringing about. They're calling it the wireless charging duo, right? Now, this thing is going to charge not only your smartphone, but your smartwatch at the same time. Listen, this is already in the bag. This is already pre-ordered. In my mind, I'm already set to buy it, right? So not only is it going to be able to charge the Galaxy Note 9, it will charge smartphones that are wireless charging. And on top of it all, this wireless charging is supposed to be fast charging as well. Listen, it's bought. I'm ready for it. I can't wait. The one that I have works flawlessly. That one we may put out for a giveaway. I'm not sure, but listen, this one is bought. All right, you all, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed the news. If you did, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. But more importantly, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts about this dual wireless charging that Samsung is about to bring out to the market. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please, by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.